Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Excel 365 with Power Query and Office scripts, plus an AI API key. Once done, create a secure environment variable for that key so Excel can call the service without embedding secrets. Then enable the Developer tab and test Power Query connectivity to the internet. This prevents wasted time later. Make sure your AI provider supports JSON input and synchronous responses. This avoids complex polling. Now open a sample workbook and prepare a clean data table for the next steps. You will now implement the connection. In Power Query, use web contents to post a JSON payload, or write an Office script that calls fetch and returns results. Map your table columns to the API schema and batch rows. 50 to 200 per call balances latency and cost. Once responses arrive, parse the JSON into new columns and normalize arrays or nested objects. Also implement retry logic for 429 or 5XX codes. This middle stage is where mapping and batching determine costs. You finish by making the solution repeatable. Convert queries to refreshable steps or schedule your Office script with Power Automate or Task Scheduler. Add input validation and lightweight caching to reduce duplicate calls, and build a usage dashboard that tracks call counts and cost. If something goes wrong, log raw responses and repro with a single row payload. This isolates schema mismatches. Make sure to inspect response headers for rate limit fields and adjust batching or backoff. This one troubleshooting tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.